You've seen the videos, people getting free gadgets, clothes, or makeup from Temu. But when you try it, it never seems to work. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get free stuff on Temu in 2025 using the latest Temu Free Gift code that actually works right now. And to make it easy, the working code is right here on screen and also down below in the description and pinned comment. I've also added a few bonus codes that can unlock faster progress or extra coupons. So here's the real method. Temu runs something called the Free Gift program. It's 100% legit. You can claim real physical products for free, not points or fake discounts. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Temu app or go to temu.com. 2. Scroll down until you see Free Gift or Play to Unlock. Tap that. 3. When it asks for a code, enter the one on screen or copy it from below. That activates your progress bar, meaning your free gift challenge has started. Now just complete the small actions Temu gives you. Browse deals, view products, share a link. Each action fills your bar until it hits 100%. Once it does, your free item is officially unlocked and shipped straight to you. And yes, this still works in 2025 as long as you're using one of the latest verified codes. Older ones stop working fast, but I keep testing and updating new ones in the description. So go try it right now. Grab your Temu free gift code from below and tell me what item you unlocked in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest Temu free gift and promo code updates.